Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome back to Education with Vikas. So, what you are about to learn today is that I am going on a trip. Where I'm going? Shivamogga I'm going. Why I'm going? This thing's relatives' engagement.
My brother's engagement.
Okay, her brother it seems. With this thing that is packing food, and also with this thing. 4 monkeys back on road. Not on road, you know where? Train. Back on train. Yeah. Mad it is. I have never been on train only, and this year full train is happening. Very nice it is actually. So we've packed this time very less actually. This is my packing. And Coke Zero for Gates. Yeah, so we are leaving now. Our train is at 5 something. We will go now to Lavanya's house. From there, even her mom and her aunt is coming. So all 4 plus 2, 6. All 6 of us will go from there to Majestic railway station. See you all in railway station, or in between if I get good moments, see you all in that moment.
I am not done. I'll go home and get packed, fucker.
That Coke.
Hey, cab is here.
Oh, our cab is here. 1716. Hey, that was my previous car number. Nice, we sold it off.
Not Wagoner, okay, it's G-Wagon.
Yeah, G-Wagon
Modified
actually.
G-Wagon.
Yeah. A little bit small but adjustable. They're spoiling, they're ruining my video. They don't know what a big celebrity they are with. They're taking me for granted. They're taking advantage of me actually. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We have successfully reached Lavanya's house, and she has successfully got injured. Yeah, we have reached her house. We are supposed to be leaving now, but she has put me on cooking duty. What am I making? Maggi. It's an art to cook Maggi. You need intense knowledge, concentration, and technique to make Maggi. I don't even know why I'm making Maggi. She's making me work. This is not fair. I want justice. Justice for Vikas. Mad. We have reached railway station. Full raining it is actually. I got wet a little bit. But yeah, we're going towards our platform now. Very noisy also it is. You can see things going around and stuff. And train honking. But yeah, looking for platform and then getting on the, what do you call, train. Excited. 3rd time in train. Let's go.
Doing shameless boy, bro.
Nothing she knows. I told her I'll carry umbrella. She told no rain. No, why it
I
will rain?
couldn't reach earlier. I didn't know all this shit. Hey, shut up and go.
Hey, my vlog.
Tell her.
Say something.
Puneet, the video you vlogged has the least views, Puneet.
Exactly. You know, my brother did the same. When he started going, I copied the video and changed.
Something he says. Just your engagement issue, not mine. Tell.
Please give me my phone.
Oh, see.
It's like that ride in Wonderla where train goes through rain like water like that. Natural water. This is. Let's get on train. Ooh. We we got to see waterfall right now. Very nice. Jog falls it seems. Hey, no, train falls that is.
Suspecting train.
So basically the whole train has only two AC compartments, one and that. So we got the second one.
Yes, little bit privileged kids we are. Thank you for watching and bearing with me. Then even I'm not giving up my seat. Whoever it is, even PM Modi comes, I'll have my seat. Yeah, we just got into our train. We are sitting. Nice seats
We'll take
actually.
turns.
Good
One will go there, 100%.
table for eating food and stuff. It's good actually. I got windows.
I would have been happy if you got like this too.
So yeah, it's nice. They're taking videos like they've not seen train before. Shameless people.
I'm sending it for my mom.
Reasons.
We put AC.
Reason.
They put AC.
For those of you all who don't know, AC means air conditioning. So there are vents that let
Show them the vents.
conditioned air inside so that the atmosphere around us can get cooler. It's a very scientific process that one. If you want me to explain it, please comment down below. I'll explain it
Go to
later.
Yashwantpur only, we get food.
Healthy lifestyle. I'm eating groundnuts. Look at what they're eating.
Chips.
Very bad.
This is why empty.
This is protein.
Bro, that's mama.
I am eating groundnuts decently. Follow your idol. I'm not telling I'm your idol. I might be, you don't know. But eat groundnuts.
Hey, train mode.
Don't eat like this kurkure and all. Don't eat. It's very unhealthy.
5:15, the train moved. Look at
So don't eat like that. Thank you.
ఫ్రెష్గా ఉంది
This boy just lost in Uno. Look at his face.
He kept putting skip +1 +2 on me.
And still he lost.
I'm not cursed anymore.
Yeah, I won first. She won second. She won third. And he
I
lost.
was running at them.
Look at his face.
Come back will come back.
Come back.
For him, comeback will never come. Because it's already come back.
Come black. CM Marla. CM Marla.
Someone was telling full comeback and all. He lost 2 times in a row.
Like
Please
so
show
much
your
cars.
face.
Come back.
That smile and all is not there now.
Come back. First.
Yeah, she won first. I won second.
Third again.
And look at him.
Come back.
Telling us, comeback won't come back.
They are teaming up. They are like
So this boy won 3 times in a row. Look at his face.
I'm second.
And she's first, second, I am third. This boy, come back.
Vastu.
When comeback will come back, I don't know.
Vastu.
All of my cars hit the floor.
All of it. Everyone targeting you only.
I lacked it. You're just bad at it. Again, you want to tell comeback, huh? Comeback it seems. We will see. Keep. Hey, water. So I played another game. I won, obviously. Me winning is like it comes with blood. I just win. And then Sunith won. Like, oh my god.
See, I told you.
His comeback actually came back after 3 games, but still He won the 4th game. Nice. Now the game is going on between her and the other her. Let's see what happens. It's a very suspenseful event.
So hi guys, since I am
Letting me sleep.
guys, no, we have to not end the vlog yet, but then we have a little more of segment left. Since this guy only kept sleeping for almost 2.5 hours, because he's like, I'm full. So
It is my sleep time.
it's, bro, he slept before even his sleep time and he forgot to vlog. See, he's just sleeping. So guys, since it was last time we went to Mumbai, it was Puneet's chance to vlog. This time I am taking them. It's my turn to vlog. So I am showing
My
my.
phone back.
So this time I am showing my vlogging skills. So it's one pretty girl in his vlogging is me. So you guys, if he gets more views in this video, it's because of me. Alright, this
I won't
face,
even use this.
nah, he's just jealous, bro. He'll probably do. So coming back to the topic, since we are reaching the station in a few more minutes, we will get on the station, wait for the crowd to clear, then we'll go back to my aunt's home. So we'll have a little bit of dinner, still freshen up, probably go to sleep. Until then, yes, signing off. So no, I will come. So we have 2 kids praying, and this dude I know passed out. I don't know how he's gonna run a YouTube channel. So until then, sign off. See you in a bit.
I'm not able to open my eyes. That much sleepy I am.
Lie. He kept sleeping all the time.
And they're not letting me. I sleep like this. Will be like that, like
Dude,
that.
I have videos of him sleeping. I can show you the proof with timeline.
I did sleep like for 10-15 minutes.
No. I have different timelines.
And all the time they were like this, like this. They were
He
waking,
didn't give a
waking me
shit
up.
about him. He kept sleeping on his laptop like a dog.
Sleep is important. They don't know recovery. See, I'm telling you, you go gym, sleep important.
He hasn't gone to gym.
I went yesterday. The
He
recovery
hasn't gone
is
to gym
key.
yesterday, today, tomorrow, day after, and day after.
Recovery is key. Sleep 8 hours.
He sleeps 12 hours.
Hey, no, I sleep 8.5
No,
hours.
see? Liar.
It's still, it's
You,
good. Only,
your
it's good
your
for-
idol, your influencer lies.
I never lie.
You never lie.
I never lie.
You don't lie.
I don't lie.
You don't lie.
Don't listen to her. KO1 cheers. Do I lie?
Yeah, we don't. So,
Nonchalant it seems. Came motherfuckers. So basically we will be reaching in.
yeah, you talk bro. See, no one's interested even in him or in his vlogs. So we're just gonna pull up us three mosquitoes. It's us. It's just gonna be us.
And I'm their owner.
Bro.
Sorry, it's the other way around.
Yeah. You see who's fair? It's us three who are fair. The black dude is you. So you are the slave.
So we will be reaching in 20
He's
minutes.
jealous. He's jealous. Jealous.
So we will be reaching in 20 minutes. And we will be ignoring whatever they do or say. Because what they do or say doesn't matter. I will meet you all in a bit. Bye. We have successfully reached Shimoga with a beating heart, very lively and safely. Now we will no, we are not here to explore Shimoga. We are here to embrace the traditional bondage of two people.
We're gonna get married.
Yes, we are here to do that one, witness that one.
So we want to support them, give our love and blessings.
Yes, one like for one blessing.
Yes. One subscribe for more love.
Yes, thank you. Please do that one. Yeah, so we have reached, currently
Can show
going
them
there.
that.
360. Should become a professional videographer.
No, drone shot.
Yeah, drone shot. See, drone and all, who needs when you have me? Saw that drone shot, It's a little bit very talented.
This is
I
how
am
you are like when
actually.
you're sleepy.
I'm not sleepy. What they're telling? False alligators.
Try not to blink.
Yeah, fine. We will go home.
That
See you
kid
there.
is you.
Yeah, I'm sleeping. We just reached her house, her relative's house actually. We ate dinner. I didn't want to, but still ate. And now I'm going to sleep. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and I don't know, all the other things that comes with it. Thank you. Go gym. Bye. Hey, sup? Please get away from my video. So basically, today is second day. Today is engagement day, and we just did reels. We danced. First, we took bath, had breakfast, and then this woman made all of us do reels. And now we are going for a walk in the nature. Great Indian Ocean, Great Shimogan Ocean. Tribals. This is tribals. This lives in the jungle here. Stickage. She's using stickage. Yeah. See, I'm showing you so many natural things that occur in the nature naturally. Yeah, we are in the nature. We are looking at trees, taking in fresh air. Good for soul, energy, and everything. Red color leaves. Have you seen red color leaves? See, red color leaves.
I've seen green leaves.
Yeah, red color leaves. You know why they're red? Because they don't have chlorophyll. What paint? Science is important. What paint and all is still? Because they don't have chlorophyll.
Those are new leaves. We will go look at more chlorophyll. Bye. In life, you should never follow sheep. Because if you follow sheep, you are a sheep. You should be very... 1 minute, I should be in camera, it seems. Yeah. You should never follow sheep. Because sheep is stupid. It goes randomly. In life, if you have to succeed, you should follow cows. This is cow number 1. Leader cow is there. We are following cows. I follow
We are
goats.
going towards success.
I'm a goat. That's why I follow
The
goats.
path of success awaits us. You know why? Because we are following cows. So, in life, never follow sheep. Because sheep is stupid. They all do what others do. Be different. Follow cows. Because cow is God. What is sheep? It is Matanuta. So, follow cow. See, we are walking with cows. My friend, this one. See? Pichi pichi. We are going towards success with cows. We are getting engagement ready with face pack. There's no activator in this. So apparently they put a detan cream on my face. I'll become white, it seems. Interesting. Yeah, so they put this thing for me and Puneet. Waiting to see what happens after this. Will I become actually white? Ooh, stay tuned. I just got ready. I look good. I look the best actually.
Papa, we put off the 6 feet guy.
Oh, darkness. Yeah, so
Oh, it's a light one.
We are headed towards.
The mandapa, the chowdhury, what is it? The ceremony place.
Yeah.
அங்க எல்லாரும் வராங்க சின்ன ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எல்லாரும் போய் பேசுனாங்க. Yeah, I will first
So we have made it to the place. She's shocked that I'm talking despite of so many people being there. Even I'm shocked actually. I don't know how I'm doing this. But yeah, we reached about 5-10 minutes ago and there are chocolates.
There is mogu.
Yeah, they've kept full chocolates and all.
There is
Unhealthy
avocado.
lifestyle they're having. Hey, guess who's back?
Me.
Yes, her. We made reels. We finished our reels. Very
Want to be free.
nothing. It is my presence that has made her pretty. Sup boys and girls. So right now we are going late night street food hunting.
Especially
Gobi Manchuri we want. That's why we are going.
smell gobi. I swear. Should we just eat here instead? No.
So we are looking for.
Pani and all there, bro. Can we just cross and eat?
That's what even I'm telling. Yeah, we are looking for street food to eat.
I guess there will be gobi too.
We just walked out of a engagement ceremony with all food there.
No, that. Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, I can turn off the light.
What?
You can turn off flashlight. Are you flashing me?
Yeah, I'm flashing you. You have any problem?
Hey, I guess that's gobi.
Hey, our gobi has arrived.
Yes.
Authentic Shivmoga gobi. Actually, it's palak gobi. So we are being healthy also.
Masala puri. We emptied pani puri, but it's too good.
How do you like it?
It's damn good.
You? Very good. Yes.
Would recommend. This
This will be the original reaction. Authentic.
Yeah, first time.
Yeah, first time. Hot, okay?
I don't know.
Good. Let's hint of palak in it.
I also have good garlicness. It's nice.
Yeah.
I didn't try it.
Soft though. Soft and
No, today's a palak.
All those boys. Chumba something and all they do. Autistic fools. I'm the only mature one of my group. If I'm not there, group is not there. I'm like their parent.
My baby, so she's mommy, this guy uncle bro.
Yeah, what?
She adopted me.
I am the one.
She adopted me. She adopted him also. Daddy. Uncle Daddy.
I am owner of this group actually. If I'm not there, group will fall down. It will fall apart like glue. It will come down. Hey, sup? The time is currently 1:30 as you can see, which is basically midnight. They have got a child who sleeps at 9 o'clock and they're keeping him awake till 1:30 in the night. Injustice is happening in the world in front of our open eyes and no one is doing anything about it. Please pray for my justice. So yeah, I guess that is it for this video. I'll go to sleep now. Thank you for watching this mini vlog. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye. Good night.